Okay, we're gonna get back to this and see if we can catch that bug. This might be it. Alright. Why do people gotta call me when I'm playing a game? Potential fraud, too. Okay, well, I got it. Let's turn this down. Too noisy. Alright. We got it all. We cleared this, perhaps? Alright, people. Oh no, now I need a purple stag. Oh my goodness. Wait, there's another one. I gotta catch 3 of them. And 6 of those. And 2 of those. I thought I was done. Okay. That's what you get for not playing all day. Alright. Let's go here now. Oh, I got wood I can go in. I don't want wood. So I'm just gonna let that pass. Let me finish collecting these things. A melon tea. Alright, one more. Alright. Collect my balloon. And go check on my flowers. Oh, nice background. Costs 250 bucks to do this, to get a background like that. Can't afford that. I only have $42. Every time you spend money. So. Okay, what other color we have here? We can do some pink. And some orange. I wonder orange on orange will give us black. Red and red usually gives black, but I still need purples too. Okay, let's go talk to our villagers. Nope. Oh, singing now. Aw, Zucker. I already took enough photos. Thank you for letting me know, Pom Pom. I got your picture. Oh, how nice. Oh, can I have some potions instead? That means I gotta let you go. And got your picture. Oh. Tutti Frutti. Oh, favor. What do you want? What? Fruit? Shell. Here, have one of these. Scallop shell. Ugh, I don't need that. Crying. Who cries playing video games? I don't know. Oh, Berto, I didn't want to talk to you. Talk to you later. I clicked her. But because you're in the way. Cashmere. Nope, no plans. Gonna stay home and relax. Thank you. Potions. Thank you. Thank you. Ooh. Alright, what's going on here? My socials media. People bought my stuff. Oh, how nice. Thank you. Anybody got anything for me to buy? Wow. She sells by tens half the time, and it's... I don't have room. Oh, look, they have the Beetles I need. I should buy them all. Alright, let us go. Anybody need help in a quarry? Yep. 2 hours ago. And here. 7 hours ago. Where was I? Wow. She hasn't played for 7 hours? 2? Okay. Alright, what do I gotta click here? Oh, I got a cookie. Let's check the cookies out. Nothing. No cookies. I don't want Timmy's fortune. But we do gotta help villagers here. And we'll do that. And then we'll help Diva again. And then flip. Flip flop. I want a bug. Here, I have a butterfly. Butterfly, bitty, bitty, itty bitty. Okay, there you go. Done. Done. Finished my requests. I'm not going in the quarry because I don't want wood, but I do think I need to sell more. See, nobody wants to buy that butterfly. It must be too expensive. So up here was this. My steel. My steel. Metal. I'll sell some more metal. It's like slim pickings, man. Gotta have all this wood. Maybe I should craft something. Buy this butterfly, people. Oh, nobody bought paper either? Oh, nobody wants paper or wood today? Okay, by tonight it'll be cleared out, I'm sure, or tomorrow morning. I don't think people have as many as I got, that's for sure. Oh, that's so much. 21, eh? Okay, that's it. Nobody else has anything I need. Alright, let's go back to this island and catch these bugs. Gonna go catch these bugs. Okay. And this guy again. Let's catch... Oh, I still gotta... What? I missed him. Do I still gotta catch a black bass? Okay, butterfly, go away. Oh, I got so much butterflies. Sorry, go away. Where's the other butterfly? I know I should catch you because you're worth more money. Money, money. Alright. Yeah, I know I gotta catch like 30 bugs. Probably 50 bugs. But I got no room. How much Oh. Okay, I can catch a few. How much is this worth? 1,000, that's it? Okay, we'll sell you. Make one more spot empty. Okay, there's no more. Oh, there's one. Let's go catch this one. I think I need this like 10 times. Catch. Somebody's not doing hers anyway. Butterfly? Okay, let's catch you. Okay. I did that on purpose. Alright, let's check my mailbox. See what's in my mailbox? All this stuff. Thank you. And I need some stuff here. And I don't see nothing. Oh, man. Nothing. Okay, let's go catch, we gotta go catch, oh, okay, let's catch this, even though I don't need it, but we can sell it. Eel. An eel. Okay, that's too small. You're too small. You're too small. You're too small. Okay, let's use our net. Maybe we'll catch a black bass. Alright, let's see. No bass. That's terrible. Try it again. There we go. We got our black basses. So now we can claim our points for dam. There we go. That one was done. We get a net for doing it. There you go. Okay, so that's completed. Let's see if I need oranges. No. Do I need pears? No. I know I don't need grapes. Okay, so let's go back now to here. See if we can get these beetles. Oh, man. Oh, there's one. Let's get it. Let's get it. Quiet. Got it. Green stag beetle. Woohoo. Alright. Alright, I'm going to have to catch this. Look at her sleeping. What are you sleeping? She used to be on my island and I kicked her out. I should bring her back in time for Halloween. Alright, anything else? Oh, let's get that. That just spawned right there. Look at the colors. Beautiful. Alright, let's see what we got to do here now. We got to still collect 30. That's a, oh, I didn't get a purple. I didn't get the purple. We'll collect that. That goes to my mailbox. 30 bugs. And then I still got to do 50 bugs. Oh my. I'm going to have to... I'm going to run out of storage space. Okay, let me catch you. That means I'm really going to have to sell my stuff. Alright, there's no more. Do I need coconuts? No. I don't need coconuts. Alright. It's going to take a while to catch these bugs because they're not spawning. Let's go around here. Hello. Okay. You can't talk to those people that are on the island. You could just visit them or go in their camper. A green stag. I need a purple. Let's see. You know what? Let's try. Let's see how much this is going to cost. If I use $15, I can get them. But I possibly could get them here. Let's try our luck. Yeah, I got a snapping beetle. How many do I have left? Oh, I got lots. Okay. What did I do? Oh, details. Pushed the wrong button. Snapping beetle again. Can I get a purple beetle? Please. I can't hold no more items. Oh no. Okay, I gotta get rid of him. The eel. What are you? Okay, sweet fish. You. Get rid of you. 3 of them. And I gotta get rid of all you guys because I don't need you. And I think that's it. Anything else that... Oh, these guys. Yeah, the rest... I can get rid of some of these. Alright, I have enough room to get a few more bugs and sell them. That's all I gotta do is catch and sell, catch and sell. I gotta get 50 bugs. And no purple beetle. It's a shame. Okay, let's shake this tree. Maybe there's money in it. Whoop. Where did it go? Yeah, I hit it. Hit the dragonfly. No money. I'm shaking trees. Shake it, shake it, shake. No monies. Why are you so tired? Go lie down. Go sleep. Alright, my goals. I finally got 30 bugs. I still got to get 20 more bugs to make 50 bugs here. Okay, well I have 36 bugs, okay. And I need 2 purple stags. And I did those, okay. It's just this purple stag that's holding me off. No purple stag. Unless I go and spend $15. I don't want to spend $15. I only got 45. Oh, there's a purple one. Alright. I thought I was going to miss it. There's my one. I need one more. Let's go and collect my purple stag, and then I can collect the rest of the stuff. And I got 3 more leaf tickets. Then I can collect all these. And all I have to do is catch another purple and about 22 more bugs. Sorry, 12 more bugs. 12 more bugs. Okay. Oh, butterfly. Catch. Catch and sell. Let's go and sell. Okay, this guy. Gone. This guy. Gone. This beetle's only worth 2,500. And everything else is not worth nothing, so I don't sell it. I give it to the villagers. Okay, we have room to catch, so I think my best bet is to go here and get at least 4. Hoping for a purple stag. But with my luck, nope. Okay, one more, and then I have to sell stuff. Alright, let's go sell. Whoops, went to the wrong one. Oh, again. Nope, again. Okay. Sell this. See, I only had room for one more. Sell these 2 and these 3 guys. Oh man, I only have room to catch 7 more things. That's terrible. Okay. I need a purple beetle. Okay. Oh, where are you going? Come here. I'm gonna catch you. Catching bugs today. Catching bugs for a new thing. It was an update this morning, that's why. I think. Can't remember. So many updates. Where is this purple? How much room do I have? Can I purchase more room? I can. How much is room? 20? 20 leaf tickets. 20 tickets. 20... Oh, what is that? That's not purple. It's blue. It's a blue. Okay. Well. Are you playing Pocket Camp?
Yeah.
Did you catch all your bugs?
No.
I'm gonna catch all these bugs. Oh, the fish. What about the bugs? Bugs are hard because it never spawns, these bugs. I got something here. What? Oh, I got all 50 bugs. So now all I need is my purple stag. I cannot buy it, right? I don't know. Usually it says you can buy it. What's in my box? Oh, lots of stuff. Alright. Give me the money. 48 leaf tickets. Is this? This is not purple. Purple. I need a purple. That looks nice though. Nice colors. Can I have a purple? Let's go shake these trees again just in case the purple spawns again. I almost hit that tree and there's a purple. Don't miss. There we go. We did it. We completed our tasks. That's our goals for the day. Look at that. I get my fortune cookie, a mermaid cookie. I think we should go collect it. And we should open our fortune cookie and see what's inside. What do you think? I think we should open it. Oh, I got 2 of them. Okay, we'll open one of them and see what we get inside. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. What does it say? You'll find a seat on the bus. Oh my. Oh, I got the fishies. I wanted these fishies. Wow, swimming fish. Look at them. They're only a 3-star. I'm not going to eat no more cookies. That's fantastic. Okay, close. Oh, shoot. I should have clicked it. Okay, let's go back. Go to the house. And go to the events. And see. So we still need to do a mermaid choir outcrop cookie. And we still got to buy the dress fortune cookie. I finally got the fish though. And here, I still got to get these cookies. Or this shell bed I got to finish. I think it's here. Okay, close that. One of my goals. Let's see here, this goal here. If I go all the way to 6, that's when you get the shell bed. But I won't get the shell bed until I do the fishing tournament and the gyroid tournament. Or gyroid, collecting the gyroidites. Let's just keep collecting these bugs and sell them because it's a lot of money. It's like $1,000. I know I have no room. I'm going to sell. I'm going to sell. Here, take this purple stag. You can have this weevil. And you can have these 2 guys. I'm going to go catch one more now. I'm going to go catch this one here. And then sell it and end the stream. Okay, let's sell that last one. Such a nice beetle. Oh, no, not there. Here. I could sell it more in the market, but nobody's going to buy it for the high price. That's why I don't bother. Alright, so we're going to end the stream here. So guys, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.